Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome weighted blanket. I love this thing. This is a 20-pound weighted blanket, and I love it because it is so soft. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like Sherpa. So I love soft things on my face when I sleep. So this is perfect for me. And I really, really love and appreciate how this helps me to calm down. The weight of it on me really helps like regulate my nervous system. Like that's what it claims, and that's how I feel like it works. I also really like, as you can see, it has this tab here. You can put a duvet over it so that you don't have to. This is machine washable, but you can put a duvet over it so you don't have to wash it as often to help prolong the life of it. So it is well made. It is, as you can see, each square has has extra stitching. It's so cozy and soft and I really just love it. I couldn't recommend it more. So I definitely think you should try it out, especially if you have anxiety, and that is my point of view.